What's up, Fox Den Fox here, and this is my daily driver. Now, for those of you curious, because I did say I was going to be using an iPhone 5 for a week, I still am. This is still absolutely my daily driver, but I got something in the mail, and I figured I would share it with you on Yo Tech. Now, this is my watch. What I thought would be the last memento of Product Red that I would ever own, because I do not have a Product Red iPhone because I like the Max variants, and for some reason the Max variants don't have Product Red on them, which ruins them for me. I had a Product Red iPhone 11, and despite the battery life shortcomings, that still probably is my favorite phone of all time. The red just looks so good. I loved it so much. And of course, the iPhone 11 was a better version of the very expensive iPhone 10 for cheaper. So I loved the iPhone 11 as well, and I think it sort of revolutionized the iPhones that we have today. And this is my current case. Can you spot the problem? Come on! Yeah! I don't know if it's this case or just how fragile MagSafe is, but the issue is that it's exposed on both sides, which makes it very easy to just... Congrats. And I don't like spending money on cases that much. I have never bought an Apple branded case because I always thought they were overpriced junk. And I wanted a clear phone case, and they really don't have a whole lot of good clear phone case options to show off the color when I had Product Red. Oops. Excuse me about that. But now that I don't have Product Red and I have Sierra Blue, which granted looks nice, it just looks like generic luxury to me. Y'all know what I mean, right? Like, it looks like a mass-produced version that's trying to be luxurious because these phones are expensive. But it just doesn't have the raw authenticity as Product Red did. I love the way Product Red looks. This is my favorite watch. I'm going to wear it until it goes out of date, simply because I just love the color so much. And spending money on Apple Watches each year is stupid. So I was looking through, and I saw a case that I did not expect. A Product Red phone case. Now, the first thought was, I have a blue phone. This probably is not going to look great. And that is still TBD, because I have not put this on yet. I have unboxed it, full disclosure. Things are going to look bad because, of course, Apple likes to package things luxuriously that only last once, and it's hard to make them collectibles anymore. With that said, as you can see, the tape is a little already funked up, and we're just going to get rid of that. And here's the actual outside. Again, it looks luxurious. I have no problems with it. For being compostable paper, I don't know if it's compostable or not, but for being paper, it's pretty luxurious feeling. And I do not mind that these are made of paper. These should not be made of plastic because that's incredibly stupid. Let's get inside. Let's get inside. Oh yeah. And then it's supposed to go like this. Like this. Oh God. What a good unboxing. Alrighty, ignore how hard it is to pull out because that's of my own fault. But this is what you get in the box. Not as crinkled, but if you know what Apple paper feels like, it's about the thinnest paper you could imagine somehow. And they're like, rounded corners, that's so cool. That's all you get, by the way. This and this is all you get. So as you can see, it has the Apple logo on it, a nice little condom ridge here, and it really feels good. I gotta give them that. It feels really solid, much better than the plastic case that I have, but at what? I don't even know how much I spent on that, 5 times the price. It damn well better. But if you've ever held a default Apple Watch band, a silicone Apple Watch band, it's pretty much exactly the same feeling. It's very smooth, but it still has grip on it. But what's nice is on the inside, it's felted, and it is really nice. I think it will protect the phone just from like everyday like pulling it in and out over and over again. And you can see the MagSafe in there, but there is no way I could grab it from here. There is an indent, and you can't even see it on the camera, but there is an indent that shows this is MagSafe. But I would have to struggle. I would have to make an effort to take it out. And then of course there is no outer layer like on that one, so it can't break from both sides. It feels really good. I can pretend like I'm walking on the red carpet for the 2 seconds that I don't have this on my phone. And then here's this, which aside from the tear is what you get, because I thought, hey, there might be something in here. As you can see, it just tells you, here's how you put it on a phone. Ow. You aren't supposed to do this, by the way. I can almost guarantee you that there's nothing in here just because of how difficult this is to get open. So by itself, something nice, I suppose, IDK. So this case is not the same color as this product red or the product red on the iPhone 11. That's because it's a case, and I totally get they're not going to give you a metal case, which is where product red really shines, because that would ruin the point. But as you can see, the Apple Watch is made of like the same materials here on the iPhone, and it is fantastic. So then let's slide it into the case and see if blue matches red. That's not showing up in real life. That's the camera that I'm using saying, hey, you have Face ID on, by the way. And here's what it looks like when it's in the case. Now, I don't know how to feel about it. I think I need to get other people's opinions on it. I love the case. I just wish I choose a different color of phone. I wish I choose a different color of phone. I wish I could also talk. I wish I could have chosen a different color of the phone, because now that I have the product red, I would prefer to have this case over a black phone. But unfortunately, that's just not how the cookie crumbles. And then, of course, pretty much no bezels, no color on anything outside of the product red. You cannot see blue on the sides or anything like that. Now, this is quite an indent, which is a little annoying. It's not something you couldn't get used to, though. But I just wish it was a little bit more flush. Volume buttons. Case does make it a bit harder to suppress them, which I don't like, but at the same time, that was the same on my plastic case. And then you have like a very deep indent, which kind of looks weird in my opinion, but I don't know. It's not bad. You have speaker holes as well. From the front, this looks great. I love having product red. I'm going to keep it on my phone for a little bit, see how much I like it. And if I don't like it in the long run with the blue, then I will buy another $1,200 phone and another $50 phone case to make sure they match this time. People actually do that. Oh, that makes me sad. I will use my 30-day refund policy on this case and get a different color. That's what I'm going to do. But that was this dorky little video. I know that it was nothing spectacular, but since you're here with me, I will do something cool for you for a little bit of a teaser for the iPhones, because I will be using the iPhone 5 all this week. So I want to load up TikTok. This one has to go through widgets. Oh, see, it's a funny TikTok about Gotham's. Oh, it's not even a funny TikTok because it's just somebody with a picture of themselves on the bottom and then a screen cap. You know what would be better is if you looked at Yeah Fox, DC Murder Mystery, or my funny Fortnite meme. And in the meantime, this is still loading, as you can see, on the same exact Wi-Fi. No, this one's on 5G. Wi-Fi is really good here, so that's not the issue, though. All right, what am I doing? My GTA 5? Sure, why not? So there you go. That's what it's like to watch TikTok on an iPhone 5 versus an iPhone 13. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, do what you usually do, and as always, buy yourself something nice. Feeling good. Now, I still didn't know what the i5 was, and the problem with i5s is once you get to a certain age,
only one person
i5s become dual cores instead of quad cores. Not a good thing.
All right.
So admittedly, I did
with us
take a
and just
risk
have a
on
house
this,
way
and I
too
really
big. Who
wasn't
the fuck
thinking
is that?
properly, but at the same time, we
Not
got
what I wanted
lucky
to do. Please
because
don't.
I got an i5
Who are you?
2400.
Oh,
Now,
hey,
the
how
i5
you doing,
2400
Caitlin?
is a quad
Doing good?
core
What's